Hello, and welcome to the latest webinar brought to you by Reps Unlimited and our partners located around the world. My name is Mike Thompson, and I'm Director of Team Sales for Reps Unlimited, a sales marketing representation company representing a diverse range of travel-related products like hotels, resorts, cruising, and destination management companies. This time, I'm very happy to once again welcome Indo-Asia Tours here to discuss India and what a fascinating destination it is. For those of you who have travelled to India before, I'm sure you'll agree it leaves you with memories which last a lifetime. I'm sure you'll love the presentation. Over to you, team.
Thank you for the introduction, Mike. It's great to be able to present today. Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining this presentation. Welcome to India, where the echoes of ancient traditions resonate amid a vibrant modern landscape. Here, diversity and cultural heritage come together in a stunning display of historical grandeur and natural beauty. Let's embark on an adventure through the magical lands of India. Step into India's great outdoors, where each region offers stunning landscapes and adventures. Picture yourself scaling the Himalayas, crossing the Thar Desert, exploring the Western Ghats, or drifting through Kerala's serene backwaters. Be prepared for the unexpected, as unique traditions and diverse cuisines awaits. In spiritual India, ancient traditions blend with modern practices. As the cradle of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, India offers a rich spiritual heritage. Imagine sacred sites like Varanasi and Bodh Gaya attracting seekers globally, and yoga retreats providing transformative experiences. Hinduism, with its deities and philosophies of karma and moksha, is central to India's spirituality. Jainism focuses on non-violence and asceticism, while Buddhism offers the Four Noble Truths and Eightfold Path for inner peace. Sikhism merges Hindu and Islamic elements, emphasizing one God, equality, and community service. Christianity set foot in India in the 1st century CE with Saint Thomas, making its mark long before it reached Europe. As the centuries unfolded, Zoroastrianism and Islam wove their unique threads into India's spiritual fabric, blending ancient dualities and monotheistic devotion to create a rich and diverse religious heritage. India's landscape is a vibrant canvas, blending lush rainforests, golden deserts, towering Himalayas, and misty hills. This diverse terrain creates a stunning visual tapestry and supports a rich variety of flora and fauna. The Himalayas soar in the north while the Gangetic plains thrive with fertility below. Central India's rugged Deccan Plateau contrasts with the Thar Desert's dramatic dunes in the west. Off the coast, India boasts one of the longest coastlines in the world, with the Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands glistening with pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. India's flora and fauna encompass a rich array of ecosystems, from lush rainforests and verdant grasslands to arid deserts and alpine regions. This diversity supports a remarkable variety of plant and animal species, including both iconic wildlife and unique flora, creating a vibrant and dynamic natural world. Featuring the Big Five, Royal Bengal tigers, Indian elephant, various species of leopards, Asiatic lion, and Indian bison, India offers a breathtaking safari experience that showcases this unparalleled wildlife diversity. Its flora includes banyan trees, orchids, and medicinal herbs. With over 106 national parks and 85 Ramsar sites dotting the landscape, key examples like Kaziranga, the Sundarbans, and Ranthambore which safeguard this vibrant diversity and lush habitats for abundant wildlife. Indian architecture spans thousands of years, blending historical grandeur with regional diversity. It features intricate ancient temples, majestic medieval forts, colonial-style architecture, and modern innovations. This dynamic mix reflects India's rich cultural heritage and evolving artistic vision. Here, colonial architecture merges European design with Indian materials for grand buildings, while Indo-Islamic structures feature Persian and Indian elements like domes and arches. Ancient rock-cut caves and temples, such as Ajanta and Ellora, highlight intricate carvings and craftsmanship. Experience a transformative journey in India, where ancient yoga, meditation retreats, and holistic treatments blend tradition and innovation. Renew your mind, body, and spirit in a land dedicated to personal growth and inner peace. Begin your path to wellness in this unique and healing environment. Engage in meditation, yoga, and spiritual study at serene ashrams and experience Ayurveda's wisdom for balance. Pamper yourself with spa treatments and yoga practices to renew your mind, body, and soul. Here are some top experiences from India. Imagine India as a treasure chest of diverse experiences, sun-kissed shores, grand forts, and lush backwaters. Explore vibrant cities, majestic mountains, historic temples, and rich wildlife. Discover misty hills and unique cultures across the region. This map is your gateway to an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive into a tapestry of experiences across India. Kerala's backwaters offer a serene escape with tranquil canals, swaying palms, and houseboats gliding on reflective waters. Enjoy activities like canoe rides, bird watching, and local village visits. Here, time slows down, inviting you to soak in the soothing sounds and natural beauty. The temples of Tamil Nadu are like ancient storybooks, with grand towers and vibrant sculptures narrating epic tales through intricate carvings. Walking through these sacred spaces, you experience a blend of timelessness, devotion, and artistry. Each temple is a canvas showcasing a rich legacy of craftsmanship and spiritual depth. Discover Deccan India's breathtaking landscapes, where majestic forts and opulent palaces reveal rich history and grandeur. Explore UNESCO-listed World Heritage Sites, showcasing timeless architecture and storied pasts. Experience the captivating fusion of tradition, history, and enduring beauty. Goa's stunning beaches are the ultimate retreat for relaxation, with powdery sands, soothing waves, and gentle sea breezes. Enjoy golden sunrises, sunset strolls, and vibrant hues while lounging under swaying palms. Each sun-drenched moment offers a serene escape, where the only goal is to embrace tranquility and savor the beauty of paradise. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are remarkable rock-cut masterpieces in India. Ajanta's 30 grottos, adorned with vibrant murals and carvings, depict ancient Buddhist tales. Nearby, the Ellora caves feature over 34 temples and monasteries showcasing a blend of Buddhist, Hindu, and Jain artistry. The Gateway of India was built to honor King George V's visit to India. Standing majestically on Mumbai's waterfront, it gracefully spans the city, symbolizing India's rich heritage and its storied past. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is a 2-foot narrow-gauge line from New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it offers stunning views of Darjeeling and Kanchenjunga. This scenic ride through lush mountains highlights exceptional engineering and natural beauty, making it one of the wonder of the world. Kolkata, India's second-largest city, is a vibrant blend of intellectual and cultural energy. As the former British India capital, it showcases colonial grandeur and historic charm, with majestic architecture and lively streets. The city is a dynamic mosaic of old-world charm and modern vitality, rich in artistic flair and renowned for its diverse and delectable cuisine. Counted as one of the oldest living cities of the world, Varanasi is a timeless beacon of spiritual and cultural heritage. Steeped in Hinduism, it is believed that dying here grants ultimate liberation. The city's labyrinthine streets and the Ganges River flowing through it weaves a profound tapestry where life and death merge in a sacred journey. Khajuraho's temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are renowned for their intricate carvings that reflect a blend of sensuality and spirituality. These figures may symbolize tantric rituals or serve as educational models. Their artistry continues to captivate and inspire, harmonizing divine themes with rich cultural heritage. The Taj Mahal is like a magnificent love letter carved in marble, rising majestically on the banks of the river Yamuna. With its shimmering white marble, intricate gemstone inlays, and serene gardens, it's a breathtaking tribute to eternal love of a king for his beloved queen. Each graceful curve and delicate detail tells a timeless story, making Taj Mahal not just a monument, but a poetic symbol of beauty and devotion. Rajasthan, the land of the kings, is a treasure trove of history, where echoes of the past fill grand forts and opulent palaces. Rich in regal splendor and timeless tales, it offers a fairy tale charm where the valor of medieval Rajput warriors and Maharajas are still celebrated by traveling bards. Founded in the 15th century by Guru Nanak, Sikhism is one of the youngest religions of the world. Its spiritual heart is the Golden Temple in Amritsar, a beacon of faith complemented by similar shrines across India. Amritsar is also celebrated for its vibrant Punjabi culture, blending spiritual and historical exploration with culinary delight. Born in 5th century BC in India, Buddhism teaches liberation through mindfulness and ethics. Notable locations include Bodh Gaya, where Buddha found enlightenment, Sarnath, where he gave his first sermon, and Dharamshala, the present-day abode of the Dalai Lama. Each of these places adds vibrant depth to India's spiritual and cultural tapestry. Surrounded by rugged peaks and barren mountains, Ladakh is a realm of wonder, where vibrant prayer flags and ancient monasteries testify to centuries of devotion. Its stark, moon-like terrain and dramatic rock formations add to the otherworldly charm. Adding to this mystical allure, the occasional chants of monks resonate through the landscape, weaving a sense of timeless spirituality into the scenery. River cruising in India offers a unique way to explore the country's diverse landscapes, culture, and heritage. Sailing along its serene waterways, these voyages promise a blend of luxury and adventure, providing immersive experiences along some of the world's most storied waterways. In India, where rail travel is a cherished tradition, luxury trains evoke the grandeur of imperial carriages once used by Maharajas. With opulent interiors, exquisite cuisine, and exceptional service, these trains offers unforgettable journeys to World Heritage Sites and historic landmarks, blending indulgence with timeless charm. India blends ancient traditions with modern vibrancy, offering unique charm and history across its diverse regions. From grand palaces and serene backwaters to vibrant festivals, intricate art, and unparalleled hospitality, the country's landscapes and cultural heritage create unforgettable experiences. Come and explore the destination with us. Thank you for your time. I hope you found this webinar informative. Over to you, Mike.
Wow, what a destination, and thank you to the Indo-Asia Tours team for this update. If you would like more information, please get in contact via the details on the screen. We'll see you next time.